Hello viewers, welcome to GutenDev presents 2-minute Gutenberg, and in this section I'm going to discuss with you the output and the users of custom HTML block, which is of course in Gutenberg editor. So let's get started. Click on the plus sign, go to formatting and select custom HTML. This is an HTML editor. You can write down your HTML code here and you can see the preview here also. So let's type something. I'm adding a paragraph tag. This is a paragraph. If I want to make it bold, I can type this is bold, or I can make it italic. This is italic. If I want to make anything like font color is equal to green, I don't know why I did write green. This I am green, not a Rachel Green. Alright, so let's see what I can. Click on the preview button and you can see your text is previewed without the code only rendered, and the HTML is working. You can also update your post and see your post, everything what you saw in the previous section. If you have any question regarding WordPress, Gutenberg or any kind of blog, you can write down your comment in the section below. We'd love to reply to your queries. Till then, goodbye.